Rotation and revolution. In this module, you will learn about the rotation and revolution of the Earth. Days and nights are caused by the Earth spinning from west to east on its axis. This movement of the Earth is called rotation. The Earth takes 24 hours to finish one complete rotation. As the Earth turns, its different parts face the Sun. The part facing the Sun experiences day, and the part away from the Sun has not.
Look at this figure. It shows the axis, an imaginary vertical line running through the center of the Earth, and the north and the south poles, which are the northernmost and the southernmost parts of the Earth respectively. As we learned, the Earth rotates towards the east. That's why a person standing on the Earth sees the sun rise in the east and set in the west. The sun does not move. It's the Earth's rotation towards the east that makes the sun appear to be moving towards the west as the day wears on. The different seasons are caused by the Earth's orbit around the sun. This movement of the Earth is called revolution. The Earth takes 365 and 1/4 days, or 1 year, for one complete revolution. The Earth does not move in an upright position, but it is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degrees on its axis. The revolution together with the tilting of the Earth affect the amount of heat and sunlight the different places on the Earth receive from the sun. Look at this figure. The dotted horizontal line shown at the center of the Earth is the imaginary line called the equator. It divides the Earth into the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. When the northern hemisphere is tilted away from the sun, the southern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun. This means that the places in the northern hemisphere receive less amount of sunlight. Furthermore, most places in the northern hemisphere experience shorter and cooler days, that's winter, and most places in the southern hemisphere experience longer and warmer days, that's summer. As the Earth continues its revolution, the northern hemisphere begins to tilt towards the sun. By June, places in the northern hemisphere experience summer, while places in the southern hemisphere experience winter. In this module, you've learned the following.
Of the Earth. Revolution. In this module, you will learn about the revolution of the Earth. The Earth has two types of motions, rotation and revolution. In this module, you will learn about the revolution of the Earth. Revolution is the motion of the Earth around the Sun in an elliptical orbit. Throughout its orbit, the Earth is inclined in the same direction. The Earth takes 365 and 1/4 days, 1 year, to revolve around the Sun. For the sake of convenience, we consider a year consists of only 365 days and ignore the 6 hours. Where do these 6 hours go? The balance 6 hours from every year is added to make one day, 24 hours after every 4 years. This extra day is added to the month of February. Thus, every 4th year, February has 29 days instead of 28 days. Such a year with 366 days is called a leap year. How many seasons do we witness? A year is usually divided into 4 seasons: summer, winter, spring and autumn. Seasons change due to a change in the position of the earth around the sun. Summer solstice. On 21st June, the northern hemisphere tilts towards the sun. The sun's rays fall directly on the Tropic of Cancer, so it receives more heat. The rays fall in a slant over the poles, so they receive less heat. During this time, the North Pole is inclined towards the sun. Places beyond the Arctic Circle experience continuous daylight for about 6 months. As the northern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun, it experiences summer. 21st June is the longest day and it has the shortest night. It is reverse in the southern hemisphere. It experiences winter. The nights are longer than the days. This position of the earth is called the summer solstice. Do you know why Christmas is celebrated in Australia during summers? Let's find the answer. On December 22nd, the sun's rays fall directly over the Tropic of Capricorn. The South Pole tilts towards the sun. It is summer in the southern hemisphere. The days are longer and the nights are shorter. It is reverse in the northern hemisphere. It experiences winter. This position of the earth is called the winter solstice. Now you must have understood why Australia celebrates Christmas during summers, because it lies in the southern hemisphere. Equinox. On 21st March and 23rd September, the sun's rays fall directly over the equator. Neither of the poles is tilted towards the sun. Therefore, the earth experiences equal days and equal nights. This is called an equinox. On 23rd September, it is autumn in the northern hemisphere and spring in the southern hemisphere. On 21st March, the order is reversed.